I decided to do a little bit of nature before my walk. Oh my, look at you. Yeah. Look at the ducks are smaller than the fish. Ah. Oh, oh. Oh my, okay. Yikes, I actually brought fish food, but it's like they're eating the bread. Oh my God. Oh, good for you. Good girl. Okay, so I brought some fish food. Oh, try to untwist this top. You know, I had the pellets, but oh, that was a lot. Look at that. They're huge. They really are the size of like a medium dog. So crazy. But I came out to feed the ducks. Look at, there's some small ones over here now. There didn't used to be. Hi. There you go. You're the ones I came out to see. You're the ones I came out to see. Look at that female just is going at it, getting that bread. Trying to get some to the boy. Yeah, oh Lordy, look at this. There used to only be big ones in this pond or lake or whatever. Look at the smaller ones. Look at that, wow. There is a solid orange one. Oh, you can see them coming from across over there. That's the pure white. It's like an albino. But there is an orange one. It's just orange. The whole body is orange and it's just gorgeous. Like a orange, almost like a fire engine orange. So bright. Yeah. So bright and pretty. Well, this is good. I'll start my day with some nature and then I'll go for my walk. Yeah. I would like to see the orange one. I don't see. Okay, well now I'll go for a walk. Hey, by the way though, there are about 7 new ducklings and I think that they go up in the shrubs, like over there. I think they go up in those shrubs and kind of hide out by day. I'm gonna come out about, the sun goes down. They come and they forage for food. They're so tiny. My neighbor said there were 9 originally, and I think there's only 7 now. They get picked off, either by a raven or, I don't know, coyote or something. But there's only like 7 left. So, I'm really hoping that they survive. But I'll come back out and see if I can shoot them without scaring them off.